What are you doing?
Nothing.
Welcome back to This Is Dad.
Alright. That was a little teaser to make her think I smashed it. But I have something for the little miss. For her room, for a nightlight. Would you like to turn the light off so they can see it a little better?
How to turn it off?
It's a little bright in here, but it gets the gist across. Wow, that actually works pretty good. What does it have? It's not a full circle. Look at the inner ring. It's only half. Where's the other half? It's a circle.
When it goes around, you'll see it.
The wedding officiator from the movie.
That washer that holds the bulb in place might be off to the side.
The screw in the top.
Mm-hmm.
That is really cool. Ah. Alright, squirrel time. But we also have more electronics. You know what? We'll leave that on. It's actually kind of cool. More electronics from Wish. As some of you may have noticed, my beard is not as luxurious as some of the beards out there. Not to call any beards out in particular, but Tyler Tube, that man's beard is impressive. Someday I may try to do the toothpick in it, but I don't know. This is a beard comb. Never used one, but I'm hoping that it will give me a beard as luxurious as some. I normally test products off camera before y'all see them, but something about electric and heat and my face felt I needed to have camera lady and other people around to help.
Please don't burn your beard.
Right? So it looks like a little scruffy now. I might burn it. We'll have to start over. And it took me forever to grow this.
Bonus packaging comes with a sock puppet.
Yes. Who are you and what'd you do with my daughter's hand? Hold on.
Of course, you have a Sharpie in your pocket.
Who doesn't?
Literally everybody else.
There we go. What's his name?
I think you missed the class on sock puppets.
I did.
Name is Sparkles.
Sparkles? Well, my name's Sparky, so it's nice to meet you, Sparkles. Ah! You smell like a Sharpie, sir. You need help. You decapitated him! I'm so sorry, sir. You will be remembered. In pieces. So, we are going to plug this in and heat it up. Oh, that means I gotta undo the lamp. Party foul. But we have something else, don't we, Zoe?
You can unplug another one.
Yeah, I can. And we will. Alright, let me unplug that. Zoe, why don't you tell them what we have lined up next?
I don't. This sink light up thing.
How does it work?
You have to turn on the water and it turns the light on.
Yeah, I may not have gotten busted trying to set it up without camera lady's permission. Something about making a mess.
You told me you were making sandwiches. Your pants are on fire, sir.
I ate a sandwich.
Your pants are on fire, sir.
Well, let's go check it out. Ow. Folks, I'm stuck. Huh? Oh no, I'm stuck. There we go. How bad? Okay. We're just gonna stay like this for a little bit because I may or may not have had a slight snag in the pants earlier. But
Not Janet Jackson Super Bowl wardrobe malfunction level, but pretty darn close.
we keep our wardrobe malfunctions hidden on this channel. This is a, as you can see, a light 'em up light for your faucet, but that does not work for my sink. And apparently no sink at Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's. I couldn't find one to fit it. So, electrical tape. Actually works really cool.
Wish you didn't need the electrical tape.
Right. And it works with hot or cold water. It doesn't seem to change the color of it depending on the temperature. It just randomly, you know, causes people to have strokes no matter what color or heat temperature is going through it. But it is really cool.
It does leak a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
I mean... Oh, the longer it's on, the worse it leaks.
It's Zoe in the face. Do you feel refreshed?
Oh,
No.
I'm hot.
It was hot water?
Yes.
Oh dear.
I will take this off and show you. Oh, wow, I used a lot. And it's still leaked.
Yeah, something tells me that's not a good choice for us.
That is cool. Oh, it ain't working though, is it?
Yeah, it was. You just weren't pushing. There we go.
Alright. Well, let's go see if the beard... Oh, it's all wet now. Let's go see if the beard comb is working. Alright. Watch out for the beard. Alright.
And back on.
Pause. Precious is mine. Well,
I think it's making a difference. You're missing some hairs.
I can barely feel the heat.
Well, you don't want to burn your face. But, I mean, let me get closer. This side is the side that is not done, see how it's bushy and curly. This side has been done. So I think with a little modeling wax or pomade or whatever the heck it's called for beards, it would work out great.
Ooh, it snagged.
I think it's working. What do you think, Zoe?
It's nice.
Is it making it straighter?
Yes.
I don't know. I've never done this before. So, camera lady or ladies watching that have straightened their hair with a flat iron, because that's essentially what this is. It's just,
No, flat irons don't look like that.
but I don't know.
No, they kind of look like a curling iron, only instead of curved, it's flat. It's two flat pieces that come together.
Isn't that essentially what this is, but only with just half? Like, ooh, that's hot.
Yeah. Why? Why did you just do
I
that?
thought my beard would protect me. I've been betrayed by the beard.
You're missing whole patches of hair. It's killing me.
I get it now?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
Well, at least you're fine. At least it's working. So, would you say that this Wish product was successful?
I'd say it's pretty successful. I mean,
Lisa's color video, dope or no?
it's hot or not. No, we can't copy other people's stuff, Zoe. Although, I think Matthias would do pretty good with one of these. Although his beard's pretty impressive, too. Someday I'll have a luxurious beard.
You have more of a beard than most guys. Not all, because there are some that grow theirs like to their feet. But yeah.
Yes. But it takes forever to grow, though.
Well, not for some guys. They sneeze and a beard pops out.
I'm not that lucky. All right, folks. Oh, that don't feel right over there. How do we look?
Looking pretty slick. Yes.
Little miss?
You missed some hair on your chin. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Can you do it right here?
Pinky's up, folks. Keep it proper. No, I can't do that.
Use your other pinky.
What, you want me to do it like this?
Yes.
Or Dr. Evil style?
Yeah, but then you can't use the... Yeah.
Yes.
There we go.
1,000,000 brushes.
I'm a kitty.
All right.
Meow, meow, meow.
Well.
Ow. I just poked myself in
That
the
will be
eye.
all for today as I continue to just
Groom
caress
yourself.
myself over here with this warm beard comb. It's actually quite comforting. It's warm. It's nice.
This is a family-friendly channel.
Hey, I'm only talking about the beard comb.
Hey, don't talk about the beard comb. That's for the
All right, Zoe, would you like to do the
Exit.
exit, please? I'm busy.
hit the bell that rings like my dad's phone. And hit the
Make sure to like and subscribe the channel.
Those of you playing the home game, the last few minutes I was using that was off. I accidentally hit the button.
Oh. Well. Well
It
then.
happens. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. As I am multitasking over here, I apologize. That actually came unplugged. We always look forward to suggestions and any ideas for new content. I did notice on this, by the way, there is no
Oh.
holes.
What
And they're both exactly the same size.
what purpose do the holes serve?
I don't know, but there's no difference in size, which
You
normally
know-
indicates...
That's a good question. Why are there holes in most plugs?
Huh. It's not a weight issue. You would think you'd want more contact than that.
I feel like we need to do some research
Yes.
before we use that again.
Well, it did come from another country, so maybe they just didn't put them in. I mean, this isn't the first time I've seen ones like this, just solid blades. But it is weird for them to be the exact same size. At
Strange.
least I think. I don't know. I'm not an electrician. You
Well,
don't get a name like Sparky from being an electrician. You
I'd
blow
say
stuff up.
if anybody knows the answer to why the holes are in plugs, please let us know.
Yes.